Hello everybody, I'm holding you at the moment. I said that I had lots of new stock available. Halloween stock, which I thought I would share with you. Yes, Halloween in May. But if you do make things, then it's not unusual. Further on to my video yesterday, I have been out in my car driving today. It was absolutely fine. So it was me. Hold my hands up. It was me. I was to blame for the driving. Nothing to do with the car. So let's get started. Let me show you this lovely new stock. These I absolutely love. I sold out of these. They're now back in stock. They are imitation jade. And these are lilac. And these are a fantastic price. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. So those are 8mm. It does remind me a bit of moonstone. If you look up imitation jade on the website, you'll find those. I've restocked. These are called Steel Blue. They sold out in an instant, so those have been restocked. These have also been restocked. Coral. These are 8mm pearl beads. Those sold out straight away. If it's new products, I don't want to get large amounts because I don't know if they will sell. These are called Peach Puff. Again, they sold out straight away. 8mm. These are caramel. These are a caramel mix. Yes, you do have the ivory pearls, but it's known as a caramel mix. Those are 8mm. Remember, you can buy small quantities with me. You don't have to buy large amounts. These are a mix that I've made up. These are 6mm. These are a mixture of pearl beads, crackle beads. And these are ocean themed. So if you do your key rings, earrings, but I have got more because obviously until they come in I don't really know what they're like, but I like them so much I will be restocking those definitely because I will be using those as well. We've got dragons. Look, they even stand up. I'm sure there's certain names for these, but I wouldn't know. I have no idea, but I like that they stand up. These are some, depends what you call them, bobby pins, but they're the ones that you can put, they've got the pad so you can stick something on the front. So those have an 8mm pad on the top. I was very low on balloon dogs, so obviously I'm not bringing out lots and lots of bags. I've just got one of everything to show you. So there's restocks of balloon dogs, very popular right now. These are your basic 18-inch silver plated necklace chains. I use these myself. Those have gone up in price. These are 6mm cabochon settings. These are gold plated with stainless steel, so they're anti-tarnish. Again, popular. These are very pretty, again popular. I've got a new colour to show you as well. So these are the pink. That's the backs of them. I think the backs are decorative as well. The website. Right, Those are a new colour. I love those. So summery and happy. These are the larger lobster clasps. Normal clasps are 12 millimeters. These are 16 millimeters. They are back in stock now. I've got lots of those. So these are the starfish charms. Oh, these were so hard to get hold of. These are the only ones that I can actually get. I couldn't get the ones I used to have. These are 6 millimeter pearl beads. Again, you don't have to buy a large strand. So I'll just show you the colours I've got of those. We've got a pearly orange, cyan turquoise, whatever you like to call it, red, it's like a lilac colour, blush pink, baby pink, cerise pink, and we have a mint green. So those are 6 millimeters, and I do those in packs of 50. These, oh, I absolutely love these. If you love Swarovski, you will love these. These are 4 millimeter bicone beads. I have so many projects planned, but never enough time to do them. But these are beautiful. Then we have the heart bells. These are the glue-on heart bells, so you would put your whatever you're using, you just put some glue onto there and you would stick your whatever you're using. I don't think I've got anything. Let's just pretend this is something, so we'll just pretend, but that's how you make a pendant. These are now back in stock. Slightly different to the ones I had before. I think they're same on the back. I love these. They're green, so you've got green, white and blue, pink, pink, white, yellow, orange, pink. This is like a purpley lilac pink. So those are new. Great for some earrings. Now this isn't all of the Halloween. I've left lots downstairs. Yeah, the ones that I bought for, I make a Halloween mix, ever so popular. It is ever so popular, the best mix that I make. I sell lots of them. Look at these. Now I had these last year, but not to actually sell like this. They were just part of my mix. They are smaller this year. They're 15 millimeters, whereas last year's was 20. Now what I'm going to do, and if it's something you think you would be interested in, now obviously, you know, just because you say yes, it doesn't mean I hold you to it or anything. But if you want me to sell the strands rather than individually, just let me know. I can buy these in bulk, so it should be cheaper. So I should be able to do these cheaper if I buy them in bulk. At the moment, I think I'm doing these, I think these are 15 pence each. So basically, you know, you can make a pair of earrings for like 50p. whether you sell them £4 or £5, obviously it depends the earring wires they use. Whether you sell at craft fairs or online and have website fees to take in, website or Etsy fees to take into consideration. Black. I can also get them in purple. If it's something that you think you might be interested in, remember I don't hold anyone to anything. It's just so I can gauge if they would be of interest to anyone. Oops, put them the right way. Again, this, I understand if it's not your taste, but it's obviously I've got to cater for lots of different people. Again, people list these as turquoise. They're not. They're synthetic. They are synthetic. They're either 15 or 20 pence each. I can't remember now. Again, these are fun, colourful skull charms. These are acrylic. I love these. They're what are they? Something's telling me that these are synthetic turquoise. They're quite heavy. Fine for earrings. I love those. And this is another Halloween mix of beads. These will be going into my mix as well. These are acrylic. I will do a video when I make my Halloween mix. And I also picked these up. Now these are your letter charms. Yes, we've got this design. I sell these, but these are a different supplier now, so I just wanted, I quite actually like the look of these. And I do like the personalised key rings, like the pet memorial key rings as well. So I use these, put these as a bundle of 26 rather than individually, because they're very, see the fonts are different on these. You've got your W, Q, S, what's that one? N. It's like is it italic? I'm not into all my fonts, so. That's all I'm going to show you today. I've got some lovely shell key rings. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on those. Remember to check out the website if you want to have a look at some supplies. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of jewellery tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I've got lots of different playlists. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.